Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I'm Maria Mgini, and this channel is all about sharing my daily life in the village, guys. And today, guys, is a special day. Is a surprise visit to my friend, guys, here in the village. Actually, she didn't know that I was coming over. She has been calling me, come and see me. Actually, is a lady who hosted me while I was in Nairobi, guys. She has been calling me to come and see where she stays, to come and see her here. And today I decided to come over, guys, without informing her. So I'm just going there without informing her. So guys, just look at the surrounding of the place here. So this is where she this is her compound. Just look at that, guys. Yeah. So this is her house, guys. This is the compound that I decided to visit today. Here you go. You can see this is the stone. So this one, you sit on it when you come and find no one is around. So you can see that. And I guess this is her vegetable garden. Yeah, this is a vegetable garden, and I can hear a very good food. And yeah, the sun is good, the weather looks good. Yeah. So this is a mud house, guys. This is a mud house. So this is the toilet. It's a mud one. Yeah. So I'm just taking you around the compound before proceeding to the house. That is the cassava plantation that she has planted. And so her compound reaches here. That's a mango plant. Where the compound reaches. As you can see, that's the fence. That's a maize that belongs to another person. Yeah, so actually she told me that she was building a house because the one she had she was living in fell down due to the heavy rain. As you can see, this one. Yeah, So this one has really rotten completely. So the house fall on her as since it was not strong, and due to the rain that has been raining. So this is what caused the rain, the house to fall. And now she's setting up. So the people came and helped her. So they are helping her to set up this house you are seeing here. So it is also going to be a mud house. It is going to be a mud house because they can't afford the blocks house. Yes, but she's grateful for this house because it is also one of fencing, so that this house here is going to be attached to this one here. So like the one that fall, it was attached to this one here. So you see, it was attached to this one here. You can see that. So this is the soil that was for the house that fall. Yes, so just look at that, guys. So this is how we build the mud house. First you make holes like this one. After making holes, now you gather this one, and then you put, and then after putting this post, then you will have there is some other sticks that you will be putting around to make the post to stand strong. Then from that, now you bring the mud you put across like that, and then now you put the iron sheet up there. So guys, this is the fence. Actually, this is the fence. You can see it is the area is open. Like when you come inside, you can just break into the house. So there is no much fence here. So this is the fence, and then this is where she gets water from. This is where she gets water from. It is the borehole. She uses borehole water. Yes, now I just gotten in, not from the gate, but from that open area there. You can see, and this is the gate. Actually, I was supposed to come through this, but I just break into that open area and gotten inside here. So I will just go in. I know where the kitchen is, I know, so you can see. So guys, just look, this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. So bathroom is attached to the kitchen. See guys, so this is how people survive in the village. This is how people survive in the village, and people are very proud of it. So yeah, and so this is the bathroom here, and this is the kitchen. So I think mama is in the kitchen. Hodi hodi,
Karibu.
Yeah, so this is actually the lady, guys, I was surprising today. This is the mama that hosted me in Nairobi when I first went to Nairobi. She has been like a mother to me, and still she is, because her calling me all the time, come and see where I am, come and see where I am, since you are in the village. So I decided today to pay her a visit and she see me. It has been a long time before we met, around how many years? Let me see, around 5 years. Yes, and for me it is a joy. As I told her, even I don't have anything to come and see you with, but she insisted that I should come. Even her seeing me was enough, and she don't need anything, because she knows that I don't have, I'm also struggling. And she was thinking that if I say that I'm looking for something to pay her a visit. I will take another year before coming here, so she insisted that I should come, and I decided today is the day, and here we are. So mama, leo nimefika.
Karibu sana mama yangu.
Asanti. Naona uko jikoni unapika.
Niko jikoni.
Unapika nini?
Nilikuwa napika mboga. Sasa nimetoa mboga. Sasa nataka nipike ugali.
Yeah, sasa mama wants to prepare ugali. She was cooking already mboga, and now she wants to prepare ugali. We eat. Si tutakula?
Tutakula, karibu sana.
Asante.
Hata uji iko hapa. Nilikuwa nimepika, tukunywe.
Yeah. So she has prepared for me uji, and this uji is called entopeke. Entopeke, that's what she has prepared, and I'm going to take it. So it's the one that mom sells in Nyabuanse. Yeah, so that is porridge. Yeah, so guys, here I'm having my porridge. This is what the welcoming of a visitor. Yeah, so look at this porridge, very nice. Ni tamu. It is very delicious, guys, and very healthy porridge. Yeah, it is very hot. Yes guys, so you have seen the compound, and so these are her firewood, where she stores firewood because of the rain, and as you can see, they are not even well placed. So if the rain comes, they will be rained on. Yes guys, so just look at that. Just look at, she's very organized lady. She's very organized, and so she uses the solar. There is a solar over there. Yeah, for so guys, let me enjoy the, just in case guys you don't know about mud toilet, this is one here in the village, and this is much better guys. This is so wonderful, rather than going to the bush. And you can see it is well maintained, and it is very clean guys. Just look at that. Just look at that. It is very clean. And this is the fence here. So, and the toilet has the door, so no one can see you through when you are doing your business here guys. Yes guys, so mama is cooking omena, small fishes. She's dry cleaning. She has put tomatoes, as you can see. Yes. So guys, we have finished eating. Now we are going outside, at least to have some fresh air and to tour around again to see what is available here. It is very, very hot inside. As you can see, the weather is good. Today it has not rained and it looks perfect well. So I'm here with Mama. She just told me she wants to take me around now to see what she has on her farm. There she is. Now we are walking. We were in the kitchen, so we are going here. So this is her little garden, vegetable garden that she has here. So this is the vegetable, the Morinda vegetable that we just ate inside. Naona umepanda kwa laini.
Kwa laini ndio rahisi kupandia.
Yeah, so the reason why she has planted Morinda in order, it is because it is easier for her to remove the weeds like this. It makes it easier to remove the weeds here. So this is the popo plant. Sasa kama hii Morinda ina take how long kukua?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. So guys, she's telling me that the Morinda takes 2 weeks for it to be ready. So hizi unaenda kuuza? Zikikua unaenda kuuza?
Zikikua tunauza na tunakula.
So she's telling me that once the Morinda is ready, she takes to the market or people comes here to buy, and she eats the rest here. So this is popo plant. It is still young. It has not produced the fruits here. So there is a bigger popo there. This is the bigger one, and it has the fruits. I hope you can be able to see from top there. Yeah, so this ones remind me from my previous home where I had pawpaws, and where in my first video I made about pawpaws. So this one's a reminder of her, of those pawpaws that I miss very much. Yeah, hizi ni
kunde.
So there is another vegetable here, cowpeas. This is cowpeas. So these ones they're spreading like nderema, you know. So pia hizi ziko na nafasi yake. It has its own space, you can see. Na hizi zinachukua dakika ngapi muda mgani kukua?
Hata hizi zinachukua, mboga hii inachukua wiki 2 inakuwa ya kukula.
So guys, most type of vegetables takes around 2 weeks to grow. Na unaziekea nini? Manure
ya ng'ombe.
So she's using cow dung to make the vegetable to grow well. So she doesn't use the pesticide or the fertilizer from the shop or from the market. She just uses the one from the cow. So uko na ng'ombe zenye unapata manure hapa?
Naombanga kwa manaiba.
So she doesn't have the cow, but she always borrow from the neighbors, those with the cows. So she normally make an order, and then they give her the manure. She come and spread it to her garden. Yeah. Yeah, these are the pumpkin leaves here. So the garden looks very clean and it is in order, guys. You can see that. So this is the baby pumpkin. Yes. Natulikuwa napalilia. So this is mchicha amata. I saw it somewhere. Helped me. Yes. Like this. So all these are pumpkins. Huu ni mua.
This
is sugarcane plantation here. It is growing, but it is surrounded by pumpkin leaves. So she's weeding her vegetables. This is where she has reached. She has not finished. Another pumpkin leaves. All this is Morinda. You can see it here. Ni kama watu wanapenda mrenda huku. Just look at that, guys. So this is all mrenda here, you see. Na kunde bado ziko. So this is banana plantation. It is for cooking, not for riping. Yeah. Mbona wanachimba shimo kubwa na ni kidogo. So guys, you can see I'm asking why the plant has a big pothole and the banana is small. Kwa nini wanachimba shimo kubwa hivi?
Sababu ikienda kukua kubwa ndio upepo ikikuja isianguke. Sasa kitambo hiyo mchanga ikuji ijae hapa kabisa, itakuwa sasa imesimama kabisa stable, hakuna upepo kumpeleka tani ianguke.
So the reason why they make a big hole for this banana, no matter how little it may be, it is to prevent it from, if there is a strong wind that comes and wave it away, it will not be able to fall because it is covered with soil and it will not fall. So it is kind of supportive. The hole is supportive. Yes. So this is another pawpaw plantation, but it doesn't look healthy, this one here. Yeah. So this is a cowpeas again, you see. So these are the cowpeas. This is what she sells, and she has told us that it takes 2 weeks for these vegetables to be ready. Like now, this ones she has removed for selling, and someone is coming to get the vegetables, guys. This is the beauty of living in the village. You cannot sleep hungry that you don't have vegetables. So these are spring onions. And it is very dry. You might think that it hasn't rained, but it's only a few days that it has not rained. So these are the spring onions, very, very delicious when it is added in your vegetables. You really enjoy meals, guys. Yes. Then tuko na sukuma. Yes, this is sukuma kales. You see. So mpaka unawekanga jivu. Jivu inafanya nini?
Inazuia vidudu kukula.
Yes, so guys, as you can see, so as you can see, she's telling me that she's spreading ash. You can see ash here. So the ash is the reason why she's putting ash here is to prevent the ash prevents insects from eating the leaves like this one here. So the ash here prevents the insect from destroying the vegetables like this one here, the way it has been eaten. So you can see, I'm surprised to know that ashes are insect killer. So as you can see, she has really spreaded enough. You can see she has spreaded enough. So from the kitchen she brings ash here to help in killing the insect. Yes. So we are moving to another farm to see what is there. This is the cassava. Yeah, so here are the cassava. Hii yote ni yako kutoka hapa mpaka huko. So this is the cassava that she has planted, guys. Ziko tayari?
Zimekuwa tayari sasa.
Tunaweza kula. So the cassava are ready. So these ones you can, they are used for cooking. You boil and then you take with the tea or porridge, or you can remove, you make flour and then you make ugali. So some of them use the flour to make porridge, brown porridge, and this cassava is what produces brown ugali, which is very, very healthy. Yeah, so that is it. I can't go inside because it has a lot of blackjack like these ones. So, and I don't want them to stick on my clothes. Yeah, so this is another wimbi. This is another plant, food plant. It is called millet. Is it millet? Yeah, this is millet. A very, very healthy. This is not grass, guys. This is not grass. So this is CN. In CN. The white one you see there, that's the CN for improving the plants. So you can see they have just added the white one you see. You can be able to see CN. So they just put like that. So when the rain rains, it will just cover it on the ground. There we go. Like this. So actually this one looks healthy more than what I have. Actually, I have never even visited a bigger millet farm as big as this one. And just look at this, guys. It is very healthy and very encouraging, guys. So we also have inside here this is spider plant vegetables here, but I think this is for making seeds. So we are just walking here. Yeah, so most people, they don't know the difference between grass or how millet looks like. So this is millet, but most people confuse millet and grass. So people might think that this is grass, but this is food. Sasa hii inachukua muda mgani kunini kukua?
Hii inachukua miezi 5 kama mahindi.
So millet also takes 5 months, the same as maize. The way maize takes 5 months, it also takes 5 months. Yeah, so this is the end of it. Yeah, and so this one is sorghum. So sorghum looks like maize, but they're not maize. So maize, this sorghum, they normally produce from the edge here, but maize, they normally produce their maize on the this part here. But these ones, they normally come out of this up there. That's where they produce their fruits from. So this is sorghum, which looks like the same as maize, and they are bigger than millet, but the same as maize. So the only difference that you might know that it is not maize, it is when they produce their fruits from the top and not the side like maize it does. So when you see the maize, their part up there, it is kind of a flower, but for millet, it produces the same flower, which is a fruit. Yes, so you can see they're very clean. The shamba looks very clean. The farm looks very clean and very encouraging, and I'm really in love with it. And yeah, you know, soon I'm going to start farming, and I pray that I will find my own farm that I will be farming. And once I get a farm, I think once I get my own land, farming is the first thing I will concentrate on. And it is my focus and prayer that I will have a piece of land and I will start. I really admire farming, and wherever I visit a place, I always imagine I'm the one that is my farm, and I always wish that one day it will happen to me and I will have it like this one. I just want to have all this in my farm one day. And I know sangapi. You okay? Yes, guys, as I was telling you, I didn't know the camera was off. Yeah, as I was telling you guys, so this is maize, this is a millet, a sorghum here. And I was telling you the difference between this millet and maize is that with sorghum they produce their fruits at the top, from the top, and then the maize they produce their fruit from sidewide. And guys, it is my dream also, one day I will, when I own a land, I will start farming, and I will have this. When I visit a farm, there is something I'm learning from it. And I pray that I do pray and wish that it will happen to me, as it is my wish. I always wish and pray. Yes, so this is also her maize and farm. This is her maize and farm, guys. This is maize and beans planted together, but they are very small. Ulichelewa kupanda.
Chelewa kupanda kulikuwa na ng'ombe. Sasa kitambo watu wakuja walime wamalize nikuje nilime. Ikachelewa.
Yes, sir. She's telling me the reason why she planted this maize late than other people. It is because now she don't have the cows to help her to plant. So she waited for the people to finish the farming for their farm, and then when someone volunteered to help her with her. Yes, guys, so she's telling me the reason why she's having the maize are late, it is because that from the beginning, when people were planting, she didn't have the farm, she didn't have the cows to come and do the farming for her, because people here, they normally use cows to do the plowing, and then now you can do the planting, especially when the land is bad like this one. It has a lot of wheat, so she was hoping that someone would come in time, but unfortunately it was late. So that's where you see the maize are very small compared to the neighbors, the ones you see there. So you see there is a big difference. Those ones are almost within a few months that they will be ready. They have already removed the flowers, but these ones you can see how they are. So this is lack of you see, being a lonely person when you don't have anyone to give you a hand. This is what happens. This is what happens. But we do pray that she will get something out of here to feed her child. Okay, she's a widow. Maybe I didn't tell you about it. She's a widow. He lost her husband in 2018, yes, guys, in 2018, and she has been a single mom for for all that time. You see the way she's struggling here. You have seen her compound, guys, and she's very welcoming person. She's the one who hosted me, just in case you forget. She's the one who took me as a child, as a daughter, in Nairobi, Kibera. So we have been moving. She do a lot of following of what I'm doing, of where I am, how the child is, you know, all that. And when I hear, wherever I am, and then I see someone following me, caring about me, it brings me closer, and it makes me feel that someone somewhere thinks about me and my child, and I feel loved, and I always feel joy, and I find peace in my heart. So when she calls, I decided to come, and this is not the I'm not going to end here. I will just surprise her today. I just wanted to pay her a surprise to see and to show her my YouTube channel. I have been telling her about my YouTube channel, and here I am now with the YouTube channel, and I'm making this video just to show her that this video I'm going to post it, and it is going to be seen around the world, and she's going to be seen. Even her, she will appear here, and when I come back here, I will show the video. So guys, kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment, so that when I come back here, she won't believe the viewers. Yes, guys, so I'm so glad, I'm so happy that she's managing, guys, being left during that time until now. She has been able to educate her child who is hoping to join nursing courses in this year September. In this year September, yes. So we are praying that she will join. So she's asking us to help her in contribution. In fact, she approached me to ask me what the course she can do, and I advised her to go for nursing since she attained the grade of doing nursing, and hopefully I did the best to advise her to go for nursing courses, because we hope in future we can look up to her, and she's going to help us. She will be treating us. Yes, so it is my prayer that she's going to make it. She won't change from the nursing course. Yes, so guys, if you think that she can, if I did well by asking her to do the course, let me know on the comment section.